So XRP is down a little bit today. It's actually come back a little bit from where it has hit a 24-hour low. You can see that the 24-hour low is $2.71 right here. So it's actually bounced back 24 cents from that. I'm going to give you the reasons for why XRP had dipped down that low. It has nothing to do with XRP. In fact, it's actually not a crypto event that has moved the entirety of crypto down. And we were down as much as almost 5% on the total market capitalization, but we've since bounced back from that a little bit. We had Bitcoin flowing down to, in the last 24 hours, a low of 97,800. So again, it's bounced back as well. So what is transpiring here? It is this. So if we take a look at on the Wall Street side, let me refresh this and kind of go over here. You've got over here on the right, you've got the NASDAQ down over 550 points. You've got the Dow down 161. And it's because of the launch of a Chinese AI application called DeepSeek. And DeepSeek is a competitor to Chat GPT. And you're like, well, that shouldn't really have anything, Austin, to do with crypto. You're right. It doesn't have anything to do with crypto. What it's shaking is, I think, the core belief, the core foundational belief that people have in crypto and in technology stocks here, US based AI technology stocks like NVIDIA, things of that nature. I think that created the initial kind of sell off in crypto. But then beyond that, we had, I think, emotional based trigger fear selling start to kick in. Okay. And that's it. That's what's going on. I have dug into this. I've made a couple of videos on this already, kind of looked at this, and there is absolutely nothing else going on from an overall marketing standpoint, market standpoint. And there's reason we should see the entirety of crypto moving down. I'm viewing this as an opportunity because right now I can pick up XRP at a 5% discount versus the last 24 hours ago. But I mean, at an 11% discount over what it was, the price was 7 days ago. That's how I see it. Right. And, interestingly enough, you would think that this shouldn't have anything to do what's going on the Wall Street side with this launch of this Chinese AI DeepSeek system. But obviously it's impacting stocks dramatically. I mean, you can see it. It's really impacting stocks. Now the NASDAQ's down over 600 points. And I think it's bleeding over. It's fear from that side of the street bleeding over and impacting crypto. And you're like, well, again, Austin, they shouldn't have anything to do with each other. They do and they don't. They do from the standpoint of, if you look at crypto, what is it at the heart of it? It's tech, and it's high-end tech. And people, and so, okay, well, Austin, is it kind of attached or associated to the NASDAQ, which is the tech-heavy, exchange? Some people would say yes. I don't necessarily believe that, but I think when you have people looking into the future and AI is becoming such a big part of our world, right? I think that people's fear around anything that is viewed as a challenge to the perceived challenge of North America's dominance of that is shaking the foundations of the entirety of technology, and crypto is being thrown into that. And if you look at the AI, this is the AI cryptos, right? AI and big data cryptos. I mean, they're not being impacted any more percentage wise than other big cryptos like Solana. But Near Protocol's down 8, ICP down 4, Renders down 10 or 11. FET is down 9, Injective is down 10. I mean, these are really not anything dramatically more. So it's more of a broad market. It's more of a broad market impact. And now we're back down to, over 4.5%. And again, I think it's part of it is we get a lot of new investors coming into crypto, which is good. We want them. Okay. We want those people, but those people tend to not really, they don't have any. Sorry, eye is itching. My apologies. Allergies are killing me, which is ironic. Usually it wouldn't happen this time of the year. They tend to sell. They tend to kind of let their emotions. They're like, oh my God, Bitcoin's down 2%. I got to go sell. And that's not how they should do that. We all know that, but it happens. And XRP's down 4%. Oh my God, I got to sell. I got to get out. Got to get out. No, you should be looking at the opposite. It's time to buy. So yeah, that's what's going on. So I just want to let you guys know that that's what it is. If you're looking around, it's actually has nothing to do with what you think it is. It's not an XRP specific thing, all that kind of stuff. So, hey, if you want more help making more money with XRP, take a look at my software. Links in the description below. Buy, sell alerts. This is the buy alert before after the election, all the way to the sell alert, 400%. $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of over $8,000 in 30 days. Software costs a little over $1 a day with the discount code that you can get down there. And there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. So you really get to try the software for free. If you don't like it, you get a complete refund. So give it a look. If you're on X watching this, the link's actually below this video as well. All right. I'll see you. Take care. Bye.